What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm actually doing it inside just because just painted this room. It's actually not finished yet, so that's why I've got you at this kind of angle, because there's still a bunch of stuff on the floor over there. So anyway, so today I'm going to show you my replacement to my OEM diverter valves that I think might be a possible weak point in my boost system on my 2009 BMW 335i. And so basically, when I was looking online, there was a couple options I had to me. It was either replace it with another set of stock diverter valves and run the risk of having this problem happen again. Now, people say that the stock diverter valves are adequate, you know, that they're fine, but I don't want just fine on my car. Now, the other options were Forge diverter valves, which require servicing. They cost like $400. You have to change your springs depending on your boost level, so as you add boost, you keep having to take them apart, put in new springs. And I just didn't want to go that route. And then there's Turbosmart, which basically costs about the same amount of money, you know, give or take. And now they seem to have better reviews all around from people online. But they also cost $400 again, so it's just a huge difference. Harry, get down. Get down. I'm doing a video. You know, $400, it's a lot of money to spend on some diverter valves for the car. So as I did more research, because I figured there's a huge price discrepancy between buying replacement stock ones and aftermarket ones. And I kind of came across some information where people were talking about the possibility of fitting 710N diverter valves onto their BMW 335i. Now, 710N are OEM on Saabs, Audis, pretty much a lot of other German, you know, turbocharged cars, and I was looking at them and they pretty much look exactly the same, but they don't have the connection point for the stock charge pipe on the car. But other than that, they look good, so I was kind of like, alright, let's see what's this about. And as I was kind of reading this, I found out they're rated to hold up to 35 pounds of boost. So I jumped on some Audi forums, read a little bit about them, and people seemed to think that they were pretty good for holding high boost levels. And the cat is back on the table. Get down, kitty. So anyway, since I have a VRSF charge pipe as opposed to the stock one, the fact that it wouldn't connect to the stock charge pipe didn't matter to me. So I figured, alright, I'm going to go ahead and get these. They run about 50 bucks a piece, so it's $100 to buy both of them, which I did go ahead and get both. Now, these are OEM for Porsches, Audis, some VW cars, so they look pretty much like the OEM ones. So as you can see on the inside of this, it's metal. It got a nice bit of weight to it. Like I said, able to hold 35 pounds of boost. So I'm pretty sure that it would just orient these just like the stock ones. Now, I didn't order any hoses yet because I needed to find out if I needed to get a 1-inch hose or a 7/8 inch hose. But I'm going to go ahead and order those now so I can go ahead and get these installed. Still, I'm pretty sure that I could run them without the hoses just fine, just kind of like I have my stock diverter valves running as a blow-off valve right now. In my previous video, if you haven't seen that video, be sure to go ahead and check that one out. So yeah, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get those hoses. I'm going to go ahead and order them now from Forge Motorsports, the same company that I ordered my vacuum lines from. And if you'd like to check that video out on how to replace your vacuum lines and the benefits of doing so, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave a card for that one as well. So subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so that you don't miss my diverter valve install and my review of using VW and Audi diverter valves on my BMW.